So in the first video, we talked about taking a stick, swinging it upside down, learning how to listen to the right spot in the swing for us to make noise, which would be just beyond the ball. I can do the same thing by taking a club, turning it upside down, making the same swooshing noise. The next step from there would be if I went to the Super Speed program, and that got me to swing different weighted clubs, left-handed and right-handed, so I'm building up balance, swinging back and forth. So today we're going to do some testing for the body to figure out if we're balanced. In order to create speed in our swing, we need the lower body, the core, and the upper body. So today with the test that was developed by Dr. Greg Rose, we are going to do the broad jump, where our hope is to jump 120% of our height, to do a seated chest pass, to throw a weighted ball, 6-pound weighted ball, 18 to 22 feet, and then to test our core, we're going to do a horizontal overhead pass, where we're again going to try and throw a ball over our head from a laying down position, 18 to 22 feet. If we're able to do that, then we have a balanced body. If one of those parts of the body is lacking, then we have a reason to do some work on those parts of the body that are inefficient. I put 4. Yeah, I would do for sure. Coordination. Aerodynamically challenged. Alright, so now we're going to do the horizontal overhead toss. So this is measured from where your chest ends up to wherever the ball lands. So it's helpful if you can do a sit-up. If you can't do a sit-up, it's going to be a really difficult task. So here we go. Yeah, we didn't do very good. We got stuck.
13-4.
13-4. So, yeah, reverse your fall first, see where you're going to finish, so make sure that's in the right spot. Yeah, that's good, yep. Woo. 16 feet, 5 inches. Yes.
He did.
Okay, and our final test is a seated 2-hand chest pass, testing the upper body. Our goal here is to throw the ball 18 to 22 feet. We haven't made any of our goals yet, so this will be here we go. A little more than 15.
16-4.
16-4. Ooh. 11.
Pass the hole here. 20. 23-10. Another play.
Nice.
Now that we did our exercises, we're going to hit some balls. So first up is Jack, and you can see here with his club head speed was 109.9 miles an hour. That translates into a ball speed of 160.1 miles per hour. That is computed by the smash factor. So the smash factor is the ball speed divided by the club speed. 1.5 is as good as you're going to do. That created a ball that carried 272 286.7 yards and rolled out to almost 300 yards. As good as those totals are, if you look down here on the bottom row, you can see that he's actually hitting slightly down on the ball. At the lowest point of his swing here, this 0.6A means that the bottom of his swing was in front of the golf ball. So what we like to do when we hit the ball is actually to swing up on the ball. We want the ball to launch high and have a very low spin. So as good as that shot was, is if he can launch it higher, put less spin on it, get it down from 2,800 to about 2,200, that ball would carry further. So we like high launch, low spin. We also like better physical fitness. So as we get back with you, hopefully you're going to see more speed, better efficiency. Thanks. Next up is Rob. His club head speed is 90 miles an hour. The smash factor is 1.48, which gave him a ball speed of 134.1 miles an hour. The ball carried 227 yards, rolled out to 251. So you can see he's going to hit up on the ball, 3.4 degrees, which allow him to launch the ball at almost 15 degrees. And you can see his spin rate is at 2,054, which is really good. So that allows him, with the path of his swing and the club face being slightly closed, to create a draw. So you can see his spin axis here is negative 8.7, and that reflects here in the ball flight. So we move forward, we'll see how much we can get Rob's speed to increase. Thanks. Alright, up last is me. You can see from my setup position here that I'm really trying to launch the ball high, but I fail. My club head speed was 100 miles an hour, right in between Jack and Robbie, almost like dead in the middle. My smash factor was pretty good, 1.48, so my ball speed is 149 miles an hour, which creates 240 yards of carry and 264 yards total distance. My club face was looking slightly to the left, which is what it's supposed to do. I'm trying to swing out. My ball did curve some to the right, which is nice. I like the draw. Lowest point of my swing was slightly behind the ball. I hit up on it a little bit. I could improve on that. My launch angle could be higher. My spin rate was a little bit high. So club speed, we're going to improve on, and then we need to hit the ball. We have to be more efficient with the swinging of the club to create more distance. Not necessarily going to create more speed unless we get more physically fit. But if we can lower the spin rate, raise the launch angle, then this carry can increase, which will help with distance total. So look forward to doing this step 2. Thanks.